going to be showing you guys today how to do my curly hair routine. It's been a while since I've worn my hair just naturally down and curly because I am a mom and just really don't have time to take care of my curly hair the way that I would really love to. But let's go ahead and jump into the products that I will be using on my hair. So I am starting on freshly washed hair. I've already washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair today. I really love this combination of products because the grease, the moisturizing lotion, and the extreme gel all work great together because they don't leave any flakes or that white residue that you usually would get when products don't really mix well together. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by sectioning my hair into 4 different sections. That just makes it easier for me to detangle and also distribute my product throughout my hair.
High volume, high volume. Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, nice, nice. I have to make you mine. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you mine. Okay, so now I have completely sectioned my hair off. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections. I kept this one down because this is the side that I'm going to go ahead and start on. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and start putting some grease on my scalp. That's just what works for me. That's what I prefer. It allows me to keep my scalp nice and moisturized throughout the week because I plan on having this style for at least a week. So I'm just going to start off by putting it down the middle and then doing it like across and then also adding some into each section that I do. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my light. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond eyes, you lose my money, I go back. For your love, I go back. It ain't making money, days. I feel it for you every day. When you call, run it back on me back. So my lighting just changed so much because I'm sitting in front of the window. This is why I hate natural sunlight. So when you see the lighting changing, it's because I'm basing a lot of my lighting off of the sunlight. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't affect the video too much, but we're gonna keep going. Okay, so for the meantime, I did just go ahead and turn on one of my ring lights. So hopefully you guys can still see me pretty good. See my hair pretty good because I know it's kind of like dark on dark. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to spray my hair, and then because it's still pretty damp, but it's not as damp as I would need it to be to start applying product. So I'm going to go ahead and take my spray bottle, which is filled with nothing, literally just water, and I'm just going to dampen my hair. Now for this part, you might want to get a towel. Me personally, I'm actually going to get my towel right now. And you can either put it around your neck or you can put it in your lap. I guess it just really depends. So now that my hair is pretty much nice and soaked, I'm just going to go ahead and section this in half. And clip it off to the side. So now I'm going to go in with my moisturizing lotion. And y'all, I am very heavy-handed with this. And the reason why I'm so heavy-handed is because I want it to last for an entire week. I'm going to go in with my paddle brush, and I'm just going to distribute and detangle my hair. And now I'm going to do the same for the other subsection that I did.
Now that that is nice and moisturized to my liking, I am going to go ahead and spray my hair one more time with some water. Because now we're going to get ready to add the gel. And I'm pretty heavy-handed with my gel as well. And I definitely try to put more in the roots so that they're not as frizzy and that they turn out a lot better. And when I say I use a lot of product, I use a lot of product. So that's the first section. This is what this looks like. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same method to the other 3 sections. And I'm just gonna probably speed up this process and I will be back.
Make you sing to the mic. You're my queen, girl, you are that. Looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like, oh. Show you everything when I put in my oh. True that make you utilize, oh. Yeah, the one we got, they will go revive, oh. Give you many things, we could they make you dance, oh. Yeah, they'll make you back up to the stand, the mic. If it's phone ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some.
Also, I just want to give a word of advice. If you are applying your product, because sometimes your product can be super, super heavy, like mine can pretty much be heavy. My moisturizing lotion and the gel is heavy on my hair. So if your hair comes out looking like this when you first start out, it is okay. Give it time, give your hair time to revert and allow the product to absorb into your curls, because it might start out like this. This does not necessarily mean you have heat damage. It doesn't mean that you necessarily did anything wrong. You probably just need to apply a little bit more water. So a lot of times people see this and they think like, oh my gosh, there's heat damage. Oh my gosh, I don't have any curls. Sometimes you might just need to add a little bit more water, just so that your curls can really absorb that product into your hair. Just a word of advice. I want to say that my hair is probably completely dry at this point. It's been probably about 4 hours. I've been out and about, driving around, out shopping, things like that. I've allowed my hair to pretty much air dry. So this is what it's looking like right now. It has like little to no body, but that's because it is still day one, and everybody with curly hair knows that your hair just literally gets bigger as the days go on. Girl, it's where you at, where you at. Look at that love in every day.